Hey, folks. Welcome back to Aquilaresources. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often searched for and discussed: guaranteed approval credit cards with $1,000 limits for bad credit and no deposit. Whether you're building your credit or looking for a card with a specific limit, we've got you covered. But remember, while guaranteed approval sounds promising, there are some important factors to consider. Stick around to find out more. Before we jump into the world of guaranteed approval credit cards, let's talk about credit limits. Your credit limit is the maximum amount you can borrow on your credit card. A $1,000 limit can be a great starting point for many, but it's important to understand that your credit limit is determined by your creditworthiness. Now, let's talk about what does guaranteed approval mean. Guaranteed approval credit cards are often marketed to those with limited or poor credit histories. They suggest that regardless of your credit score, you'll be approved. However, it's essential to read the fine print. Guaranteed approval doesn't mean there won't be any checks, it simply means the card issuer won't base their decision solely on your credit score. There are typically two types of guaranteed approval credit cards: secured and unsecured. Secured cards: these cards require an upfront security deposit, usually equal to your credit limit. One example is the Capital One Secured MasterCard, which can be a great choice for building credit. Unsecured cards: unlike secured cards, these don't require a security deposit. However, they may come with higher fees and interest rates. The Total Visa Unsecured Credit Card is an example of an unsecured card with guaranteed approval. We're going to take a closer look at some of the most sought-after credit cards: guaranteed approval credit cards with $1,000 limits for bad credit and no deposit. These cards can be game changers on your journey to rebuilding your credit. Let's dive into the details. So, where can you find these credit cards? There are a few options to consider. Alright, let's kick things off with the first card on our list. First Progress Platinum Elite MasterCard. First, we have the First Progress Platinum Elite MasterCard, offering a remarkable feature: no security deposit requirement. With a $1,000 credit limit and the reporting of your responsible credit used to all major bureaus, it's an excellent choice for those aiming to rebuild their credit history. Next up is the Capital One Secured MasterCard. While technically a secured card, it stands out for its relatively low security deposit requirements and the potential for a credit limit increase over time. Its global acceptance is a plus, especially for those who travel frequently. Moving along to our third option, the Citi Secured MasterCard, that offers a straightforward secured card option without an annual fee. It reports your payment history to major credit bureaus, aiding in your credit rebuilding journey. Moving along, the First Progress Platinum Prestige MasterCard allows a 3% cash advance and requires no minimum credit score. It offers a $2,000 credit limit, providing flexibility for your financial needs. The Wells Fargo Secured Card is an excellent choice for gradual credit building, with no annual fee and cashback rewards on eligible purchases. Plus, it provides access to your FICO score. The OpenSky Secured Visa Card requires no credit check, making it accessible to a wide range of applicants. It also reports your account activity to all major credit bureaus and offers flexibility in choosing your credit limit. Lastly, the Milestone Gold MasterCard is an unsecured card that doesn't demand a security deposit. With a 0% introductory APR on purchases for the first 12 months and cashback rewards, it can help you save money while rebuilding your credit. Regardless of the card you choose, the key to improving your credit is responsible use. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and aim to avoid carrying a balance whenever possible. In conclusion, if you're dealing with bad credit and need a credit card with a $1,000 limit and no deposit required, these options can provide a path forward. Remember, the journey to better credit starts with responsible use. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips.